Today, let's clear the air honestly, scientifically, and with zero gossip. We are going to figure out kya hai Mounjaro, kya hai Ozempic, so will I need it for life? The answer is every case is different. Some people need lifelong support while others don't. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Well, actually, Mounjaro or Ozempic karta kya hai? It delays gastric emptying. So whatever that we eat stays in our stomach for a longer duration of time. So it definitely keeps you fuller. It makes you feel थोड़ा सा खाया, बहुत खा लिया यार. So brain को the signal that is fired is पेट भर गया यार, बस कर. So obviously you're going to eat less. Since you're going to eat less, you are going to lose weight. But is it going to be an overnight process? No. It's going to be gradual. It's going to be slow. But understand, this is no magic pill. बट अगर हमने ड्रग भी बंद कर दिया और वापस से खाना पीना भी उल्टा सीधा चालू कर दिया, एक्सरसाइज भी नहीं की, तो डेफिनेटली द वेट इज गोइंग टू कम बैक व्हेन यू स्टॉप द ड्रग. So we need to understand one thing. If I am a hypothyroid patient and I'm taking an Eltroxin supplement on a daily basis, I started with an understanding कि ये मुझे जिंदगी भर लेना है. So why should this be a criteria for you as a patient to think कि मुझे जिंदगी भर लेना पड़ेगा? Let your body decide. I don't want to be over-promising you anything right now and be telling you 10 साल के बाद भी लेना पड़ेगा. For all you know, your body beautifully molds to your lifestyle and your eating habits and you don't need the drug. But having said that, it's a grey zone. Now, social media ने बहुत सारी मिथ्स क्रिएट करके रखी हैं, तो धीरे धीरे हम उनको भी बस्ट करते हैं. सबसे important question, सबसे frequent question that I get asked in my practice, doctor, I want to lose 4 to 5 kgs. I have a wedding in the family. Should I start Ozempic or Mounjaro? My very firm answer is no. And second thing that I get asked all the time is, can I just stop taking it after I've reached my target weight? Not at your own discretion. You need to involve a doctor. Your doctor weans you off the drug if they think you can sustain the weight loss. Another myth that I get asked all the time is, Dr. Ozempic की गोली सुबह खानी होती है या शाम को? Now, Ozempic and Mounjaro do not come in tablet form. These are actually micro-injections that need to be taken every once in a week in a dose prescribed by your doctor. But let's get honest for a moment. The weight loss journey is very personal. You can't compare yourself to somebody you see on social media who's got a chef, who's got a trainer, who's got a nutritionist, who's got a personal doctor of their own. So be real with yourself, get out of your own head and don't be so hard on those half and 1 kgs that you put on during the holiday or the wedding season. If you have any more questions, drop them down in the comments and we will take them up in the coming episodes. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, subscribe and come back for more.